Hey everyone, welcome to another video. This is a tech debt video because I made a big mistake. What I did is I messed up on my view naming function, and when I went back and looked at the video, I noticed that I did type ID, but then I removed it, and it's supposed to be a specific comparison because we're not supposed to have database type ID in the database view. It's supposed to be we're in the database view, and this is the database type ID. So it should say database type ID. But my mistake is your gain, so I've provided several scripts below. What this video is going to do, what I'm going to do in this video is show you what mistake I made, and then a script that's going to, as long as you have all the data in your system, the tables in your system, and the relationship data, we're going to fix that mistake via code. And then the other set of scripts is everything tech debt free, calling synonyms like they should and doing all of that. So congratulations. This should be a nice step for those who are trying to follow along or who are coming in late, and you'll have access to all these scripts. So enjoy, and I do apologize again. I will see you after the title. Alright, so where the mistake actually happened was in the transform data point name view name function. And in this function, I had typed ID previously, but then I removed it because this is an example of what we're supposed to see. Database type ID. But what we have is just database type ID. So that simple plus 2 letters caused a huge mistake. There's also another piece of code that I've provided, which will truncate the data point table, cursor through all of our table objects, and then call the populate procedure. Now, I have included the old populate procedure way because any sort of tech debt modifications will cause an error because it's looking for the wrong columns. So we need to get back on that same page. And then I go through the tables again after they're populated and execute the base view, which is another script that's provided. And then I execute the create all definitions piece, which is yet another script I provided in the description, plus the single version. And what that will do is that will run through and rebuild our views and our all views. And then finally, I'm going to actually add the synonym caller just to make sure that we have everything there. Now, the final script that I have provided is actually a dump of all of my procedures and functions that we have so far tech debt free. So, very short video, but if you replace your current code with the original code, and it'll give you a step-by-step in the description what to do. If you replace your code with those original procedures, run this cursor that I've provided, and then run the final script to overwrite everything, we should be in good standing. So once again, I do apologize. We made it 26 videos, 260 minutes, give or take, without any huge mistakes, but so be it. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, like this video and YouTube will recommend it to users in our industry, and subscribe to support me. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.